G'day, I'm Murray, this is my backyard, and I've just come across one of those jobs that's going to blow out the plans for the afternoon, I'm afraid. I came out here to release a beetle, and I thought I'd chop this up a bit since it was wet, this cow manure, and I noticed that this end was off. It had popped its screws, and when I tried to push it back that way, it popped its screws down this end. There and there. So now I have to sort this out somehow. I'm thinking remove the front, tip the manure toward the back end of it, just shovel it up and see how that goes. And I've been thinking about dropping this particular panel for a while so that I can get in here more easily. So I'm going to, yep, I can do that from inside. Screws are there. I'm going to do that first, take that off, sort this bit out. There'll be some stuff that needs to get shoveled that way a bit, and then worry about fixing this. Didn't plan on doing this, but it's one of those things that happens. Okay, so cheap and cheerful fix. Pickets in the ground a bit, but it would sag if I hadn't got it tied off across the top here. Glad I left those extra bits. We do have a very small gap down here. 1.5 centimeters, 15 mil, half an inch, something like that. We've got 2 screw points up here. So the top on this side is secure, it shouldn't swivel. This side, again about the same gap down the bottom there. So we'll see how that goes. It's pretty sweet. I'm quite happy with it. The string should last for a while. I'm going to tip some of that manure back down in there before I release the beetle. Post release of the beetle, I realised I didn't have anything holding this that way. So I went and did a little rope trick, and yeah, that's now held with string. I like the idea of holding these things together with 3mm twine. Yeah, see, that's not supposed to be that tight, but this one, that's got to hold some tension. We'll see how good this twine is, and I really think I need to get some more. It sounds like a bass. Someone tell me the note of that in the comments, because I have the musical ear of a rock. Sedimentary, if you're wondering.